Everyone, in this video I am going to discuss the relation between focal length and radius. So what is the focal length? The distance between the principal focus and pole is called the focal length. So what is the radius? The center of the radius of a sphere of which mirror is a part. Okay, so consider a concave mirror. So this is a reflecting surface. Okay, so here C is the center of curvature and F is the principal focus, P is the pole. Okay, so R is the radius of the sphere. Okay, so when incident on a light ray on the spherical mirror, so it will reflect. So this is the principal focus. So already I discussed. Okay, here now I would like to find the relation between the focal length and radius of curvature. Okay, so this is the normal. So this normal pass through the center of curvature, because for example, so this is a sphere, this is the center of curvature. So when we draw a normal, how we draw? So this is the normal. Okay, so this line pass through the center of curvature, center of the sphere. So that's why, so this is the normal. So here it makes a theta angle. So this is also theta. So the light ray incident on a spherical mirror and it will reflect with a theta angle. Okay, so then what will be this angle? So this is the 2 theta. Because sum of interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. Sum of interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. So sum means theta plus theta. So these two are the interior angles is equal to this is the exterior angle. Okay, so now consider the tan 2 theta from this figure. Triangle ABF. So triangle ABF. Then tan 2 theta is equal to AB by FB. Because tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So here opposite side is AB and adjacent side is equal to FB. Okay, next let us consider the next triangle is ABC. Triangle ABC. So here what is the angle? Angle is the theta. So tan theta is equal to again AB by CB. Let us assume theta is a very small. That means the incident ray makes an angle very small. So theta is equal to very small. So then tan 2 theta becomes 2 theta. Tan theta becomes theta. Okay, so from equation 2 becomes 2 theta is equal to AB by FB. Theta is equal to AB by CB. So equation 3 and equation 4. So equation 4 is the substitute in the equation 3. So 2 theta AB by CB is equal to AB by FB. So AB will get cancelled. So finally we get 2 by CB is equal to 1 by FB. So we cross multiplication, 2 FB is equal to CB. So what is the FB? FB is nothing but a focal length. So 2F is equal to CB. CB means R. So this is the relation between the focal length and radius of curvature. So this equation tells that radius of curvature is equal to the twice the focal length. Radius of curvature is equal to the twice the focal length. So this is very important for IPE and also spherical mirrors. Okay.